For today's video, I'm going to do a quick review on my Louis Vuitton mini pochette, and I'll show you what fits inside, and the best part is I'll show you different ways to wear this little beauty right here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Antoinette. I post new videos every week regarding luxury, lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and travel. If you like that kind of content, if you would consider subscribing and click that notification bell so the next time I post new videos, you'll be the first one to be notified. As you all know, if you follow my channel, that I recently got this Louis Vuitton mini pochette, and it is such a hype right now that everyone wants this SLG. This is actually not a bag, but this is a small leather good. So it's really hard to get this item, and I don't know, I just got lucky. So I want to do a quick review or a mini review since I just got this, and I'm also going to show you what fits. At the same time, I'm excited to show you different ways to wear this mini pochette. So now I'm going to show you what fits in this bag, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, before I get started, my mini pochette is in monogram, and I got this on the website, and the price for this one right now is $365 US. And as I said, the way I got it was I stalked the website several times before I was able to score this SLG, and it is really in demand right now. And I know sometimes when you contact your SA, they might be able to find one for you, or maybe customer service from Louis Vuitton might be able to score one for you. All right, so let me show you what I have and what fits in this bag right now. And this is currently my bare essentials I usually need on a daily basis. So okay, so I'll show you what I have. And I have my chapstick because it is cold here where I'm at, and you always need this to prevent from chapped lips. I have a mini perfume, and I have my keyless car key, and I also have some gum, and my pouch that has a few cards and my license, and I have my lipstick here, a hand sanitizer, and a tissue. So as you could see, it does fit a lot, and let me move that in there. If you do have a key, you could put it on this ring on the key pouch. So yeah, so that's what fits in this little piece right here. You'll be really surprised that this little SLG packs all of these in there, and now I know why a lot of people really want this. And so yeah, that's what fits in this mini pochette. So I was looking for a chain, and I saw some good ones or cheap ones in Amazon, but I thought, no, I'm gonna find something different, maybe something more durable. So I searched on Google, and I was able to find this chain right here from Coach. And it is a really nice sturdy chain, as you can see here. And at the end, it's just a different kind of clasp. I'm not sure what you call this. I think this is called the lobster clasp. I'm not sure. But the way to open this is you push it up and down to open this one to actually hook it up. So this one, the lobster clasp, the one I got from Coach, it's basically the same thing. It's sometimes it's just harder when you have nails. You just have to use your kind of thumb to clasp it, open it, and you just hook it up like that. And also hook it up on the other side here. And you know, it's nice and secure, it won't fall off. And I'm gonna show you also how you could use this as a belt bag later. I know Amazon has one for like $7.99, but this one is $20 from Coach, and I will link the website on the description box. So if you want to get something for your mini pochette, then, you know, if it's still available, then you can get it. And also another one that I got is a vachetta leather strap. And the only place that I could find, and these had good reviews, is from Amazon. And this one is a vachetta leather strap, and it is adjustable. And what I like about this, it's pretty much the same color as the leather here on the mini pochette. So it's not too far from each other unless you really kind of stare at it, but it's not really different. And you know, this one has almost a similar clasp as the one in Louis Vuitton. It's just bigger. So what you do is you just clasp it here like that, and it's easier than the Coach one. And then on this other side, you just do so right there. The chain would be like a accessory to the bag, and it's real cute once you see it, you know, when I wear it. And so yeah, so that's one of the straps, and now you have a mini bag to wear. So I'll show you a mud shot so you can see how it looks. Okay, so now I'm going to show you different ways to wear this mini pochette. So as little as this bag or SLG, you could pack a lot. At the same time, you could wear it different ways. You could wear it hands-free using crossbody, and you could also wear it just with the strap that it comes with. So this one is the strap that it comes with. So you could just wear it just around the elbow and just carry it like that. Or what I love about this is you could also wear it like a wristlet. So what I do to use it as a wristlet, you just remove it's removable from here. So you just remove it like that, and you just hook it up on this side right here. So now you have a wristlet. So you could go by, do your business, and you don't have to worry about holding it. So yeah, so that's how it is, you know, just using it with the strap that's included for this mini pochette. And I love this. This is perfect, and this is one of the ways that I love to carry it. My verdict for this mini pochette is that it is worth the money. So for the price, you have a small leather good, and you also have a mini bag. So I truly love this, and I want to add maybe the damier ebene on this one, and I know they have a damier azur also. So yeah, so contact your SA, stock the Louis Vuitton website, call their 800 number and see if you can get one. And I'm pretty sure, you know, if I'm able to get it, or if I was able to get it, I'm sure you could too. You know, I did not get any kind of special attention or anything like that. I just went and kind of refreshed the page every so often. I wasn't like on the website all day long, no, but I did check. I think I bought this like around 2 p.m. and I also saw this one pop up also around 6 p.m. So you might be lucky, and that's Central Time. So yeah, so again, this is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. This is the mini review, and also the different ways to wear this beautiful piece. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please comment down below. And if you need any kind of advice or questions about the mini pochette, let me know, or also message me on Instagram and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you soon.